Happy New Year's Eve, guys. By the time you guys probably see this, by the time I upload it, it probably will be New Year's. So, Happy New Year's. I am hoping that 2025 will be great for everyone. 2024 was a pretty decent year. It started off rocky, and that was mainly because of my old career, but once I changed careers and gave myself a break in between that time, my year has been fantastic. It has been fabulous. My Christmas was fabulous. My Thanksgiving was fabulous. Like, just fabulous, darling. So yeah, I am on my way to work. I will be off for 2 days after this. It's New Year's Eve. I got my New Year's Eve sweater on. I went out and bought me some like little silk-like pants. Old Navy had a good sale going on. These were like $14. I'll show you. And I got my I don't know, kind of slides. They're like jean with like sparkles on them. I got these from Dillard's like 2 years ago for my birthday. So anyways, and what's on my lip? I think this is by NYX. This is a NYX color. It's like a wine something, wine trophy white, something is called. I don't know. Anyways, but look at NYX. Oh, the sun, darling. Can you see me now? So I am going to do my New Year's resolution with everybody at my job. Last year I set goals and I accomplished those goals. So I'm hoping it'll be like that in 2025, that I can accomplish my goals too. Y'all excuse me if you only see half of my face. These balloons are blocking my view. I got some balloons for work because we're having a casino. I call it a casino afternoon, and we're having a toast. So yeah, I just thought I would get some balloons to make it look a little more festive. I'm in good mood today, but you know, despite the fact that Giorgio got on my everlasting nerves last year, I am in good spirit. And then what else? Yeah, but anyways, I think I'm getting a cold. Everybody at my job is sick. So, hey guys, so I'm home from work. My supervisor told us to all management clock out and go home. So I did. I was really hoping that 2024 would be the last year that I would be in Dallas. I was this close to moving to a different part of Texas, which I think I would have really liked because I love visiting this place. I even love visiting there before I even moved to Texas. But that was put on hold. And I thought, oh my gosh, this will finally be the last year. Y'all, Dallas was ranked, I think, either the 26th or 28th, like, boringest cities in the United States, or out of the funnest city. That's pretty bad compared to Austin and Houston and San Antonio. That's really bad. They're like, Austin and Houston are in the top 10, I believe. It is boring here. They don't really decorate a lot for Christmas. They don't do much for New Year's. I mean, it's just, no offense to those who love Dallas. And I've been complaining since we stepped foot here. I'm just so ready to get the hell out of here. I'm bored out of my mind. All I do is shop and eat and go to work because that's pretty much all there is to do here. Sitting in my car in my New Year's Eve sweater. tired. I picked me up a Salad and Go cold brew. I am too lazy to even get out of my car and go in the house. Like, I don't know what's going on with me today. Like, I have no energy. I want to get this Christmas stuff off my nails. It's time for that to come off. We get ready past New Year's, so I guess I'll get this Christmas stuff off my nails the end of this week. Today's Tuesday, so probably make me a nail appointment for Saturday. I'm thinking about just getting like some burgundy tip. No, I want glittery red tips. It's almost Valentine's Day, so you can carry on that red all through. You can do what you want to do, but people always feel like there needs to be a reason to do stuff. Like, is it a trend? I'm too old to go by trends, but hello, this is what I'm wearing today for New Year's Eve. I got this sweater a couple of years ago from Forever 21. They had a sale going on. I got these pants from Old Navy on the clearance rack as well. I got these shoes from Dillard's about 3 years ago. I doubt if they sell them anymore, but you probably can find something close to it by Steve Madden. And I'm carrying my tabby, my coach that I got for Christmas, and my hat. Lipstick is by NYX, and I can't tell you what the rest of my makeup is on my face. I'm pretty sure I have my Dior foundation on. Happy New Year's! Anyways, but let me go on in the house and wipe this makeup off. I think I'm gonna lay down and watch me some Christmas movies. Yes, I did say Christmas, even though this is after Christmas. All right, y'all, let me go. I want something sweet. My heart. It's your heart. It's your lungs. It's your brain. It might be your spine. It was my goddamn stomach the whole time.
Oh, when you did all those tests?
Yeah, you have to see a specialist. And I kept telling those doctors, it is not, my stomach is like that. And they kept saying, well, it's because you did migraines. Well, maybe that's something wrong with your head. So I was getting all these MRIs, and I'm like, finally, I was just like, I can't take it anymore. I just stopped going. I had chronic GERD, and if you don't get your chronic GERD under control, it can cause gastroparesis, because it's just acid ripping your stomach lining apart. Acid that should be sitting down. This is our stomach, and then it goes up to the esophagus. Your acid should be down here. Mine was way up here. And
Why is that?
I don't know. I have no idea what happened. But when I asked my dad was like, he always had stomach problems. You remember when he was little? And I was like, yeah. So I guess when I turned, I think I was like 29, 30. That's just when it poured over. You ready? So I got these. I've been wanting some like Doc Martens, just classic Doc Martens for so long. I ended up finding these at Burlington. So we'll say this is my other Christmas present, because I decided not to get the tennis shoes. And y'all, look at all the cute Valentine's Day stuff that's already out. Yes, I'm taking down the Christmas tree this weekend. Today's New Year's. Cute. And I can put my little coffee there because y'all know trying to save money in 2025 by not going to Starbucks every day. So I would invest in some coffee mugs. Well, not mugs, but cups around for my job when I'm at work. Not when I'm at home. I'll just use regular coffee mugs, but at work I need it to be closed, signed, sealed, delivered. No ma'am, because honey, stuff flying and just no. All right. So yeah, I wanted this bracelet so freaking bad, y'all. These bracelets. I was in the Kate Spade store. I don't even shop in the Kate Spade like that, but the Kate Spade has some like real cute tennis shoes. I was going in there to look at sneakers, and I came across these, and I was like, the lady was like, "We are so, babe, I'm recording." So he's playing that game. So she was like, "But I can, you can order them. Isn't that cute?" So Lux, please ignore my nails. It's time to get them done. Or is it the other way? Boy, they be taking that game serious, don't they, y'all? Who's ready to get back on this healthy life journey? Get this last 25 pounds off. And then I got this color. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. So this stacked on top of that. Okay, she finally want to focus. Oh, helfer. Oh, helfer. Let's see. Isn't this so cute? Look at this box. That is so cute. I'm gonna keep this box. This was, yeah, we ain't gonna say the price, but this is so cute. Keep that cute box. And these are the bracelets. Come on and focus, helfer. Really? Okay, can you see them now? Those are the bracelets. Isn't that so cute? So let's put them on, shall we? Let's put them on, shall we? I hate a whole clutter mess. So let's put that box over there. Because, honey, I'm about to take a shower and wash this makeup off and eat me some spaghetti. What's that one meal that you grew up on that you absolutely hated because maybe your mom cooked it too much, or somebody cooked it too much, but now as an adult you like love it? Mine's was probably green beans. I hated green beans, absolutely hated green beans, and it seems like my granny cooked green beans with everything. She didn't care what it was. It could be damn a pumpkin pie, and she'd making green beans or greens with it. I hated them, but I love green beans. Depends on how you cook them. Another thing that used to be cooked so much when I was younger, and I hated it. I actually still kind of don't like it to this day, but I can tolerate it, is fried chicken. Oh, I hated fried chicken when I was younger, but it depends on who cooking the fried chicken. But yeah, that was another one I couldn't stand. Everybody was always frying shit. What's y'all's New Year's resolutions? I'm not going to tell mine. I don't want to share it yet because I like to turn mine into goals. Oh, in that Lux, look at them diamonds under there. I like to turn mine into goals, so the only person I share them with is I share them with God, and I share them with Giorgio. And then once I get it started and cracking, then I'll share them with the world. My boss asked us that today in a meeting. I'm like, girl, that ain't none of your business. That's something I would like to keep to myself. Y'all know Kate Spade, Macy's purchased Kate Spade. I purchased her jewelry because I did a little bit more research on Kate Spade. I did not realize she was battling with mental illness, and of course she took her life a couple of years ago, some years ago. And I support that because I didn't know that some of the proceeds go towards mental health awareness or therapy or whatever when you're purchasing Kate Spade. So I will always support something that is for the better good of humans. So, like, I think Coach donates so much to HIV awareness and coming up with cures. Like, they all have something. So those are brands I will always support. Tory Burch has, she has a little bit of her hand in a little bit of everything. So always will support those three brands. But look, y'all, I might get this on backwards. Isn't that cute? That is so luxe. Can y'all see that? That is so cute. Maybe I should move this one down farther.
I can't see anything.
Well, you're not over here. He talking about he can't see anything. He playing that game. Yeah. Or should I go like that? I don't know. I need to find the picture of that girl, how she had hers. I want to say she had this one last. So I was going to get one more, but I think that would be too much. Because then they will start to clash. But that's cute, isn't it? Kate Spade, you better go get you one of them. Get you one of these. And I think these are on clearance now because they were part of a Christmas set. These two right here. So that's so luxe. Or they're kind of running into each other. So you could probably take... Let's see. They are running into each other big time. But I like them together. I don't want to separate them, but I think I'm going to have to. I think I'm going to have to put like leave these on this one and then put this one on this side. I think that'll be better. See? Because they were clashing like way too much. So that'll be cute. Cute girl. Okay, let me end this vlog. It's going on 9 minutes. You guys have a safe and happy rest of your New Year's celebration. This is the day after. Peace.